Ever imagined a place where the sun shines brightly on golden sandy beaches washed by the crystal clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea? Well, let's whisk you away to Alicante. This city, boasting a warm and welcoming climate, is nothing short of a paradise for leisure seekers and fun lovers. Picture yourself strolling through the old town, a charming maze of cobbled streets, each corner teeming with mystery and allure. Alicante, with its warm and welcoming climate, is a paradise for those who love leisure and fun. Begin your journey by exploring the city's old town, a labyrinth of cobblestone streets full of charm and mystery. Here, the majestic Santa Bárbara Castle perches atop a promontory, offering dreamy panoramic views of the city and sea. Venture next to the iconic Explanada de España promenade. It's a palm-lined path that guides you through a kaleidoscope of colors right into the city's heart. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the Santa Cruz neighborhood, where white houses and tangled flowers transport you back to a time rich in history and tradition. Take a moment to bask in the sun at the idyllic Postiguet Beach, where the sun, sand, and sea unite to create a perfect setting for relaxation and enjoyment of the Mediterranean at its finest. And if you're looking to taste authentic Alicante cuisine, you can't miss the Alicante Central Market, a culinary paradise where you'll find a wide variety of fresh and delicious products. Immerse yourself in the past at the Alicante Archaeological Museum, which houses an impressive collection of artifacts that will transport you to the city's Roman and medieval times. For a taste of the contemporary, the Alicante Museum of Contemporary Art offers a unique experience, showcasing works from both local and international artists. Stroll down to the Alicante port, a sight to behold with luxury yachts and an array of restaurants and bars offering sea views that will take your breath away. If nature is your calling, the Montgo Natural Park is a treasure trove of Mediterranean flora and fauna, offering a serene escape from the bustling city life. As the sun sets, Alicante transforms into a vibrant hub of entertainment. Traditional tapas bars serve up tantalizing dishes, while trendy nightclubs pulsate with energy and music, offering a nightlife that caters to a wide spectrum of tastes and styles. And when night falls, Alicante comes alive with a lively nightlife. From traditional tapas bars to trendy nightclubs, there are options for all tastes and styles. Finally, you cannot miss visiting the imposing Santa Maria Church, a magnificent example of Gothic architecture that dominates the city's skyline and invites you to discover its rich history and spirituality. Alicante, a city where the past and present intermingle, offers a vibrant culture, delectable gastronomy, and the pure allure of nature. It's a place where fun knows no bounds. In summary, Alicante is a destination that has it all: history, culture, gastronomy, nature, and fun. Get ready to be seduced by its charm and fall in love with every corner of this unique city in the Mediterranean.